Welcome to DIY RV and Home Campers Life. My name's Greg. Give you an update as to what we're doing right now, we haven't been putting out as many videos as normal, and also I'd like to talk a little bit about our keyless entry lock that we just installed. So for the first part, just over a week and a half ago, we actually said yes to selling our house, and we've got a date that we have to be out by September 5th. So we're actually working on doing a couple of state sales to sell off everything we have and move all the other stuff that the kids have and stuff like that, and that they're going to keep out of the house before we have to get out of here. Excuse me, I had a bug on me. So it's been all hands on that. It's been really busy running, plus trying to get some other items and get some other things taken care of for the trailer. I put a soft start for the AC. I've got a new generator coming. I've actually got a toolbox that I just installed in the back of the truck to carry my tools. Tonneau cover's coming tonight. We've got a little tiny washer that we're going to use on the road. Things like that. Well, even a rack for the back of the trailer where we can store some stuff. One of those bumper hitch mounted racks. So I've got to put the supports for the bumper on. I've got those. We've got the hitch coming. So a lot of stuff going on, a lot of stuff. Hang around. Once we get back above water, videos are going to start coming out more frequently, and hopefully I got some good content coming out, especially with this journey. We're also vlogging this on our secondary channel, which is called Campers Life. I'll leave a link to it, so if you want to, you can jump over that. And also we do posts and let everybody know what's going on our Facebook group, Campers Life, also. So now that I've told you about what's going on, let's go ahead and talk about the keyless lock that we picked up. Now, this is the one from Elite RV. They did send it out for us to install and test. So far, we've been really excited with it. It's worked flawlessly. It is an all metal body. It does have a plastic lock handle for setting your deadbolt inside, and plastic housing for your batteries. Other than that, everything else is metal. Really nice. And just besides a few hiccups on my particular trailer on the install, this thing went in really easy. And I'm going to avert your eyes for a second right over here, and I just locked the trailer, and you heard the audible. It's locked. Now avert your eyes, and now we're unlocked. And I know you can't see it, but maybe you can. When you push the buttons, it does have a light. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a lock on it. Okay, now you see how it was flashing? It stands out at nighttime quite a bit. Now we were listening to the tones as it was going along. Well, if the volume is too loud or too soft, or you just don't want it, it's simple as just picking and pressing the one button and holding it for a second. You hear the tone change. We're going to do it again. It's getting louder. It's got 4 settings for loudness, and then silent. So there's no noise or no tones when you're pushing it. If you want it back, 1. Okay, that's where we're going to have it right now. We're going to try it right there. If you just press and hold the 8, you can actually enter your security code and then put a new security code in. There is a link right here to my install and the programming of this. But I just thought I'd come back. We've been using it for a little bit, and this is going to be great because when we go full time, we won't have to worry about having the keys. We can leave we'll have 2 sets of key fobs that it comes with, so we can lock it or unlock it. Just that simple. We got the key code, and also if by chance the power does go out, we lose you know, the batteries go dead or something like that, we do have a key also to manually override it. So we've got all those, and they all work flawless. So far I'm really excited and really happy with this. Again, like I say, basically in a month's time we're going to be full-time on the road, and I'm so glad that we got this installed when we did. When we actually installed this, we weren't planning on going full-time just yet. We had about year and a half time frame. A couple days after this, it went to 6 weeks. So anyways, you can see it's hot. I got stuff to do inside, but I just wanted to give you an update as to what was going on, and also talk a little bit about this lock that we've got. It's a nice little lock. So folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you having a great time during this camping season. Hope I see you on the road, and until then, happy camping.